Hello, this shows the code to make an image similarity search using the Qdrant client with an image that we supply. If you saw the previous video, AI image similarity search for real estate, you will see we loaded a dataset of over 400 images of real estate properties. These now exist as vectors inside the Qdrant database. So we will import the Qdrant client and specify the collection name that we want to search. Note that you need the Docker image running. Now we instantiate the vision transformer. We still need this, as it helps with converting our search image into vectors. Next, we'll choose an image that we want to search against. Embedding our sample image, we pass the image object into the processor and we get the vectors. These vectors are used by the Qdrant client to make its search. We check the collection is ready using client.count. We can now pass the embedded image into the search and the result will be the 10 closest vectors. Distance metrics are used to measure similarities among vectors. I've used matplotlib and numpy to process and display the results here, but if you were making an API, you could just pass the response from the Qdrant client and return it as JSON. I've used a list comprehension to get the image paths so that the thumbnails of the top 10 results can be displayed.